Assalamu alaikum to all of you. I hope you all are fine. As you all know, because of corona, things are getting worse everywhere. In these bad situations, everyone is facing difficulties. So here we will discuss about that how to earn online money. So here we go on our topic. These are the websites which are offering us that how you can make money. We will open this one in a new tab, and the website, the 7 ways to make money online in Australia. So here we will discuss some points through which you can easily make money. Easiest ways to make money online by everyone: paid surveys, virtual assistant job, freelancing, data entry, teach online, testing products, transcribing. So the first point is paid surveys. Find paid survey websites and join them. So here is the detail of this point. Data is the most important aspect for most brands today, which is why they often do research to understand consumer behavior. The best way to reach out to consumers is through the internet, which is most big brands for offer opportunities to hear your feedback about their products and services. Brands are willing to exchange money in return for this kind of feedback, whether positive or negative, as it allows them to adjust their offerings accordingly. Paid survey websites serve as agents between brands and customers. The second point is virtual assistant job. Find a virtual assistant role. So virtual assistants need to perform a variety of admin tasks like email responses, meeting schedules, travel organizations, and much more. If you do something similar in your regular role, there is no reason why you can't earn a little extra online. The third one is freelancing. You can do, if you have any skill, you can earn money. You can make money through your blogging, your articles writing, content writing, marketing videos, promotional videos, and much more. And the fourth is data entry job. Many companies seek data entry operators during nights and weekends, so you don't have to leave your day job and can use opportunities to make a little extra cash. Data entry jobs are not specific to any particular industry, which means that you will find plenty of opportunities provided you look in the right places. Data entry jobs simply require you to have a working internet connections and a fast computer to ensure the job is complete on time. And the fifth one is teach online, provide support online. You can also make money through the through teaching. You could possibly look at ways to teach subjects online to people seeking to learn. For example, you could teach English to non-English speaking audiences. You can choose timings that suit you. You don't have to work around anyone else's schedule but yours. You can decide what you teach without having to stick to any strict course curriculum. So the sixth one is testing products. Companies need to have enough information before they release a product or service, and are always on lookout for people willing to experiment for them. Find products that need to be tested and start using them to provide a review for the business. Seventh one is transcribing. Transcribing jobs can be manual and monotonous. um, you can you should ideally be able to type quickly to take advantages to these types of jobs opportunities. To help you earn an extra income, you also need to understand what parts of the audio are more important than others. So